How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a tycoon in Geometry Dash. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, in my case, I'm going to make this mini obstacle. And then the first thing that you want to do is to add your coins. So it's depending on your level, whether you have the coins already. But in my case, I'm going to be adding this like this. And then basically from there, you want to add this trigger right here. So it's going to be this very simple trigger. You can just navigate through the triggers icon, and then you want to click on this, place it wherever you want to. Of course, you could make the coins right here follow your character by adding a move trigger. So let's go ahead and see whether we are going to add that. But generally, you want to add your own pickup trigger. So it's extremely simple to set this up. You want to click on Edit Object, target ID number 1, count 1, touch trigger, and then that's going to be it. So you have to click on OK. And then you want to place your pickup trigger whether you want it to be added onto your main coins. So in my case, it's going to look something like this. And then, of course, once again, you could make sure to follow your value right here to wherever you move. So in order to do that, let's click on Edit. Let's select our value right here, click Edit Group, and then you could just add it to a free group. Let's head over to the Move trigger. And then we could just make sure to click on Edit Object. The target ID group number is going to be number 2. Or I guess it's going to be number 1 since we have set it this way. And then basically from here, I just want to make sure that it follows my character. So I'm going to make sure that it locks with my player. And then I'm going to add a little bit of delay so it goes something like this. And I want to make it follow my character indefinitely or infinitely. So I'm going to add this value. Let's click on the OK button. Then let's place it on the beginning of the level. And then basically right after, it should simply look something like this. And so if we spawn onto our level, it should simply follow our character. Now, of course, we have to make a little bit of adjustments in order to make sure that this specific icon follow our character correctly. And then if we pick our coins up, it should simply go ahead and add onto our main value. So there's going to be a lot of coins right here. And then basically now we have 9 coins. And then you could just go ahead and basically build your tycoon from this simple starting point. And basically that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.